Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to automatically lock secure folder Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So look here, this is my secure folder. When I'm trying to open, they need to unlock. Now I'm proved how can easily set up automatically. So open settings, scroll down, security and privacy, scroll down, more security settings, and then showing it to secure folder. Just press on to open, make sure to unlock, and the third option, auto lock secure folder, tap on, and you need to just select first option. So I'm already select this. So when I'm trying to open, every time unlock. So that's it.